Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix CarPlay not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So how to fix this issue? First of all, I will request from my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos, so do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. First solution, you have turn on Siri. The Apple CarPlay feature stands to malfunctions of Siri is disabled, especially if you are using voice commands for CarPlay. Follow these steps to check and make sure Siri is turned on your iPhone. So you have opened the setting, and then you have scroll up, then you have click on Siri and search. So you have listen for hi Siri and press home for Siri. So these two option is turned on your iPhone while he is command on you voice, yeah, then he is working on your iPhone. Then second solution, you have turn off sound recognition. So you have turning off sound recognition. So you have is an other easy way to fix Apple CarPlay not working on iPhone. So you have go to the setting, and then you have click on accessibility, and then you have scroll up, then you click on sound recognition. So you have is turn off, you have already turned off. Then third solution, you have disabled aeroplane mode. So you have aeroplane mode turn on and off. Then you uh, facing this issue, if you have wireless connection to your CarPlay store, you should make sure that both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are enabled. Also make sure your iPhone is not in aeroplane mode. Then fourth solution, try different USB cables and ports. Apple CarPlay stops working issue might be a result of your iPhone not being properly connected, and chances might be that the USB cable or port is faulty. Then fifth solution, you have restart your iPhone, turning your iPhone and we can then back on can help to clear minor error and glitches on device to restart your iPhone. So then you have press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait, then your mobile is restart, then your problem will be fixed. Then last solution, you have update iOS latest version. So if your iPhone is running an outdated iOS version, the Apple CarPlay may stop working properly. Updating iPhone to the latest iOS version is a great way to fix the bugs that prevent CarPlay from working. So you have open the setting, and then you have click on general, click on software update iOS latest version on your iPhone available. So you must be update your iPhone. So hopefully guys, after watching this video, you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.